In this one, we have a cylinder with a radius that is 15 inches that weighs 2,300 pounds. We want it to roll over a curb that is 6 inches in height. What angle and minimum force is needed to have the cylinder move if the pull force is from the center of the cylinder? Recall that torque is the force that makes an object want to pivot times the distance to the pivot point or moment arm. So how do we solve this one? So the first step is we need to get the moment arm of the force of the cylinder weight when acting as if the 6-inch curb is the pivot point. So first we take the radius of 15 inches and subtract the curb height of 6 inches to get 9 inches for one of the side lengths of this triangle. Next we plug these numbers into the Pythagorean theorem to get 12 inches for our moment arm leg of this right triangle. Now we must multiply the force times the moment arm we just found and we get 27,600 inch-pounds. So greater than this value, then the cylinder will start to move. So the sum of torques at equilibrium equals 0, so we need to find the force on the 15-inch radius moment arm that will cancel out the torque we just found. So dividing the torque we just found by 15 inches, we get that greater than 1,840 pounds of force are needed to get the cylinder to move. To get the angle we need to pull above the line parallel to the ground, we must figure out how to get a 90-degree angle from the moment arm. Recall that for a right triangle, the two angles that aren't 90 degrees added together equal 90 degrees. So we can see here that adding the smaller angle to the triangle gets us to the parallel line. Then we can add the other side angle to this angle to get 90 degrees from the moment arm. So to get the angle that we need to pull at, we just need to find the larger angle of this triangle in this case, which we can use the law of SOHCAHTOA, or the cosine portion of that to be more specific, to get 53.1 degrees for the angle we need to pull from parallel to the ground. That concludes this video. Hope that I've earned a like, share, or subscription. It really helps out the channel if you do. If you enjoyed this video, you may enjoy one of these videos as well. Let me know how I'm doing in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.